How to use your Puffco Peak Pro. Charge your Peak Pro before using it. The Peak takes roughly 2 hours to charge. Fill the glass with water just above the air holes, keeping it separated from the base. Make sure there's no water in the bottom puck. Align the air hole on the front of the glass with the air path on the base. Push the front in first, then push the back down. Turn your device on by holding down the button. The Peak Pro features 4 pre-programmed heat settings. Blue is the lowest, white is the hottest. You can also customize your heat settings with the new Puffco Peak app. To pair with the app open on your phone, click and hold the button for 8 seconds. It will turn on and off. Keep holding until it glows blue. Cold load your Peak before heat up. Be sure to not overload it or the oil could spill out of your atomizer. Double click the power button to start the heat cycle. It takes 30 seconds for the Peak to heat up. Once ready, the device will flash and vibrate 3 times. Inhale gently for maximum vapor production. Double click to boost, which increases heat and extends your session by 15 seconds. Boost settings are also customizable through the app. Be sure to clean your bowl after each use. Hold the button down to lock your device. This will save battery life.